Discourse 16. Gentlemen of the light, words fail utterly to convey to you my gratitude for your loyalty to the light. You know in your hearts this light is real, that it is true, that the messengers are honest, sincere, and true. Therefore I say to you, we have now come to the time when every student who is sincere must prove his or her loyalty and sincerity by action. We have been very lenient so far, but when individuals are vicious for no reason at all except to try to turn sincere people from this light, then more than ordinary action must take place. So I leave it to you to do whatever is necessary to silence vicious, poisonous gossip in your midst. Remember, your strength and fearlessness is within the light which beats your hearts. My service to America for 200 years shall not be in vain because of a few vicious individuals. I dismiss people because there is no hope. When I have given them the opportunity and they go on spreading their viciousness, then that hope has ceased there too. So I say to you today, gentlemen, upon every I Am student in America is resting the responsibility of the freedom of America. I shall not allow these messengers to carry that responsibility alone any longer. Therefore, thanks to your great love and light, as I have seen your great release of divine love to these blessed messengers and those who are assisting my dear ones, it is a miracle so-called of earth. Think how the attempts have been made throughout the ages to restore this great light to mankind, and how so many attempts have failed utterly before. But today, with mankind knowing their great presence, the mighty I Am, it cannot and shall not fail to bring eternal, everlasting freedom to mankind. It will bring in the golden age, which we have indicated to mankind, in which America will stand a blazing light of glory and happiness, the balance of all distribution of the things of earth to mankind, because in their call to life, it will compel life to bring that balance of supply of every good thing which the earth holds for them. Then you shall see what it means to live in happiness and contentment, free from anxiety in the glory of the light of God that never fails. I thank you and bless you for your loyalty. May it intensify hourly, daily, until you become the blazing light of your mighty I Am in the defense of America and your fellow students of the light. Thank you so much.